In this video, I am going to show you how to use Monzo card on your phone. To start using your Monzo card on your phone, you first need to add it to your mobile wallet. This lets you pay in stores, online, and in apps without your physical card. On an Android phone, open your Monzo app and tap the home icon. Tap on your Monzo card. Select Add to Google Pay. Follow the steps shown on your screen to confirm. Once added, you can use your phone to pay. When shopping online, choose Google Pay at checkout to pay with your Monzo card quickly and securely. On an iPhone, open your Monzo app and tap the home icon. Tap on your card. Choose Add to Apple Wallet. Confirm your identity when asked to verify the card. Once your card is added, it is ready to be used. For online shopping or in-app purchases, select Apple Pay at checkout. Approve the payment using Face ID or your passcode. Using Monzo through your phone means you do not need to carry your card. Every transaction is protected by your phone's security features. You can track spending instantly in the Monzo app. If you ever lose your phone, you can freeze your card in the Monzo app and still keep your money safe. That's it. Thanks for watching.